Hey guys, Zach Calhoun here. I'm very excited to announce that now you can white label and resell AI virtual staging software with your own brand and your own URL, completely white labeled to your customer base with our new white label SaaS offering using virtual staging AI from Pictastic.ai. Which is really cool about this is that you and your brand can now resell software or services and remove yourself from the middle. You can sell subscriptions, sell bundle one-time product bundles to your customers, and add a new revenue stream that requires no intervening or intervention from you and your team. This means that you can sell software, your customers can create AI virtual staging, and your brand shines through in the entire process. What's amazing about this new software, white label software offering, is that it's a tool you can add into your Rolodex of offers that is easy to implement, fast to set up, and automates the journey for your customers to add furniture into images for their listings, and you get all the credit. So yes, you can now white label fully the entire SaaS, the entire software experience for your clients, have your brand, your own login page, your URL. The entire experience is white labelable to you for your business. We're really excited to release this and get it out to the world and see you and your business shine in your local area as you sell virtual staging AI software, complete software with your brand on it without having to worry about developing it, building it, maintaining it. All that's already done for you. You get to just go profit and take your business to the next level with the latest trending high-end technology. In this case, it's your brand's virtual staging AI software offering. So the rest of this video is going to walk you through how to set it up, how to get it going, how your account will look, and of course how your users of your software product will experience this white labeled SaaS offering with your brand. So we're excited to get this rolling. Watch the rest of this video and of course sign up today. I'll see you inside. Hey guys, what's up? Zach here. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to white label the virtual staging AI software called Pictastic. What this means is you can not only provide virtual staging with AI as a service, but now you can literally rebrand the entire software application and sell software either by subscription or with bundle credits to your customer base. What this means is if you provide any kind of virtual staging to your clients now, you can remove yourself from the middle and provide a tool that has your brand, your logo, your URL, and you get paid a subscription based on how you set up the product mix and make recurring revenue or make passive credit-based bundle revenue just by reselling software on your brand. And yes, this is a solution that will even directly compete with us at Pictastic, but we want to partner with you, help you make more money, and of course, provide amazing tools that create distribution across the entire world. So we are allowing you to white label this entire software. So what's that mean? What's it look like? How does all this work? Okay, so Pictastic.ai has a variety of tools, and I can even show you on the screen here, media, albums, project sites, and we added virtual staging via AI these last few months, and folks loved it. And I got immediately asked, hey, can we white label the entire software? This would remove me from the middle, and I would still be able to get subscription revenue from my current client base. I said, that makes a lot of sense. Let's look into it. We started to build it, and here we are, an entire white label version. So you see there's a random URL here. There is a logo that is not Pictastic. In this case, I use the logo CloudPano because I'm also the founder of CloudPano.com, the virtual tour software. But this is a different thing. So when you see CloudPano or you see the CloudPano branding on this application, it's because I added it in. So I'm going to show you today how to set up your account, how to add URL, how to add your own URL, meta description, etc., how to set up your products. But first, let's just show you an example. Like, what does this do? If you never have used the virtual staging AI product here at Pictastic.ai, let me show you. This is a white labeled version. Okay, so I'm going to call this example. I can call it whatever I want to. I can select a room type. So this assumes that you know which room type you're going to use. I'm going to select the bedroom. And of course, I can take a bedroom image. Let me just grab one here and upload it. I upload this bedroom image, which is a basic one window. I can pick, a certain style. Let's say I want to do, I don't know, industrial. I also want to select here, I want to keep the current floor material because I want to all I want to do is add in some bedroom furniture with the industrial style, and also output the number of ideas I want to. So I'm going to go ahead and click Create Design. And what this does is the AI will read the image. So you're uploading an image and you're telling it what kind of image it is, which is basically a very simple prompt. Like, it's basically saying it, I want this design type, which is industrial. I want to be a bedroom, and this image is a bedroom. So it's going to read the image and it's going to place furniture inside this picture that you uploaded. And it can also remove and replace if there's currently a weird bed in there or something silly, or maybe there's like kids' toys on the ground, or maybe something not ideal. It can remove and replace to the best of the AI's ability with some nice, beautiful, staged furniture. And if you look over here to the left, you'll see this is assuming that I am a logged in user. Okay, so I'm logged into this white labeled user's account. So assume that you're selling this software and I'm a user that is logging in and trying it out. Maybe in this case, I'm a real estate agent. I'm a realtor. Okay, so I go, okay, cool. I really like this image. It looks really good. I like this style. Or maybe I want to try a new design. So maybe I want to click Scandinavian and try something new. So I can clear this out and try again. And every time I create a design, it uses 1 credit, and I also get to save all of my previous history over here in the left tab. So as say I want to try out 4 designs or 4 different types, I can do that really easily just by clicking the number of ideas options down here. I can even change some color schemes as well. But for now, I'm just going to use this. So let's say, cool, I like this, the Scandinavian design that I download. So I'm going to click download. And I'm going to just save it to my desktop. Okay. So just like that, I virtually stage an image, and I am logged into this quote unquote white labeled version of Pictastic. And if I want to get more credits, what do I got to do? I can subscribe and save. So I can add in a monthly or a yearly kind of plan I can select, or I can also even pay as I go. So say if I want to have a 20 credits in bulk, if you want to sell 20 credits or 40 credits, and you want to add a certain price for pay as you go, you can do that. You can make a bundle product mix. So if I go to my history here, you can see just a moment ago, I had this image and I opened up, and here's my design output, and I could download that and use it for the MLS or for my listing as an example. So instead of having this very basic plain image that I had a second ago, I now have, I'll show both of them. So I now have, so here's the plain image that the user, your future user could have used with the carpet on the ground. And instead, what I have is this beautifully designed AI virtually staged image, and it took about 1 second. So the customer is going to love this, and they pay you a subscription to use it. So they use this tool, they go wild, stage like crazy, and when they run out of credits, what do? They just buy more. Okay, every time they buy more, they pay you, which is an incredible option for you as an entrepreneur in the real estate media space. Okay, so how does this work? And how do we do this? Oh yeah, so here's an example. When you white label the application, you'll be able to choose your logo that you're going to upload, and I'll show you in a moment what that dashboard looks like. And so whenever their user logs in, They just put their email and password here and they log into the account. So this login page is your URL. If they don't have don't have a username or password, then they can just click sign up and sign up to your application, your software, your white label software. You are a software entrepreneur, not just a media provider. Okay. So now let me show you what this looks like on the back end. Okay, so this is a live example. I am what we call a white label user. So a white label user will also have users below them. They'll have people that we can add in as users. So I can manually add a new user if I want to. I can click add new user, put their first name, last name, email, password, and contact number. I can create users for my software, right? Also, too, I want to set up my account. And of course, they can create users themselves self-serve. So this really removes the need for you to constantly go back and forth when it comes to virtual staging. Let the AI take care of it for you and let them pay for credits. So when you first get set up, you're going to want to you're going to want to add in a site title. So I just use the CloudPano example, but you can put like, Rick's Photography or Rick's Media or Rick's Staging, whatever you want to put. Whatever your name is, you can put it here. Your brand already exists, so your brand will shine. Put a meta description, meta title, add your logo, add a favicon, okay? Then I will walk you through. You have to actually add in your domain. So you add in your domain, and you point your domain to our server. I have a separate training for that, but really it's super simple. I'll just go ahead and show it to you right now. Okay, here we go. Scrolling up. So you add your domain, I showed a moment ago, and you point that domain. So add your information. Here's whenever it's not configured, what it looks like. You point that domain name to our server, which will give you that instructions inside your dashboard, okay? And then you start to update your product mix, okay? Let's assume that your domain now is white labeled, everything's good to go. You go to your subscription product section. You have kind of two options. You have a bundle option and subscription option. So you can have a like package 1, 2, 3. So if they, for example, buy less credits per month, then you can give them a more expensive per unit type of plan. But here's how it would look. Let's call this Pro Plus. Let's call this Pro Super. Whatever you want to call the plan, you can call it that. And you can put a price of, say, $99, give them 500 credits, whatever amount. Let's make it 120 credits. Let's do, I don't know, I'm picking a number out of the sky here. Okay, $99, or they can do $1,100 a year. Okay, and they'll get, I don't know, 900 credits. Okay, so I'm picking a random amount here. I'm gonna click save. So what this does now is the Pro Super, that product is now existing in your account. So you, as the software entrepreneur, as the owner of this white label SaaS product, now you are setting up products based on what you think the market will bear in your market and what they will probably or most likely need. And of course, we'll have some case study examples of live examples. I'm just showing you what it's like to set up your product mix, okay? Then you even have the bundle option. Bundle option is where you can sell bundles of virtual staging AI credits in case your customers, they don't love description, or they do really low volume, but they do want to, the 50 package, they do want to buy 50 at a time. Okay, let's just say you want to sell the 50 package for $98. I'm sorry, $98, and it gives 50 credits. Okay, you just click add bundle, and now you have that 50. In this case, the 50 package is $98, and it works out to $1.96 per credit. They get 50 credits in their account. They only pay you one time, but then you, again, don't have to do anything. The credits will automatically appear in their account. Remember, you're setting this up you're making your product mix. Okay, really big deal. So then you'll be able to track transactions and see what they look like. And really just in general, it's like your behind the scenes dashboard for where you're building this white label product. Then once you have it built, I'm going to refresh this right here. I'm going to go to my subscription tiers here. So I made Pro Super. So here is this example. and it even says how much it is per month, and it will, build annually, or I can click here, go to build monthly as well. Or my pay-as-you-go options. I have two options now. My 50 package I just made for $98. And it tells how many credits are here, and then if they click select plan, you'll make sure you have your Stripe account already integrated on your Fantastic account. So then every transaction goes right to you, and their account fills up with the credits required to do the AI virtual staging, which I showed a moment ago. Okay, so so how does this look? From the back end, it's just like this. And as a user, when I log in, I know how many credits I have, how to get more credits, how to subscribe and save, right? And because you're going to want to price your subscription credit amounts less per unit than you would at the pay-as-you-go to incentivize subscriptions. So you, as the software entrepreneur now, are going to be able to have passive revenue, passive subscription revenue. So again, how does this work? They log in, they pick, let's just mess around with a dining room. Let's see what I got here. I actually don't know what I have them upload. They upload their image. Let's pick an image here off my, let's pick this one here. So this is an unfinished dining room. That's fine. Let's not keep the existing floor material. Let's do Scandinavian again. Why not? And click go. So again, I have logged into this white label account. It doesn't say Pictastic anywhere. It doesn't say CloudPano. It will say your brand. It will have your URL. It will have your logo. Even the meta description of the page will have that you share and market. Will have whatever you placed or however you set up the account for the customer or for your dashboard. Okay. So again, boom, we are so cool. We are creating an entire design from scratch just by pressing one button, or I can keep the floor material and I can make it into a living room, and I can do a living room. And again, this is all just with AI, one click, very easy. And the customer, to support them is quite simple. If they don't love the design, just tell them to do another one, try again. It's that simple, and it just removes you out of the middle. It makes it really, really fun way to add revenue into your business. And of course, white labeling software is so cool and so much fun, and it's a whole new revenue stream for you and your world. So as you go sell this, I hope it really helps you crush when you get going. So a moment ago, I was showing you that you can add different subscription amounts. You can add different bundle amounts, and it gives you a bundle output. There's a login screen that you will also get access, that your customers get access to as well too, with your URL, with your branding on it. And then once that's set up, you'll see a screen like I showed you a moment ago. And of course, they're able to customize which subscription plan they have. Of course, they're going to want to subscribe to you so they can save money per unit. You have history amounts. And of course, it looks just like this, a beautiful, great implementation of how to resell white label software to your local market with your brand, and you shine through. So really important. The next step is to click below this video, sign up, make an account, get your domain set up, and start to put together your own branding assets so that you can go sell this software locally. And once you're set up and ready to roll, and it won't only take a few minutes, less than a day, you'll be able to market this and even send over the login page to your customers and start reselling software as one of your product mixes, which is really, really cool and a lot of fun. So I hope you really enjoyed seeing this video and got really excited. So to unlock white labeling as a user, or white labeling as a white label software provider of virtual staging AI with your own brand for your business, you just need to click below this video and sign up today, set up your account. It won't take long to get going. And within the next week, you'll probably be promoting this locally. And of course, because your customers know you, trust you, like you, they're going to give it a shot, and it will save them money and make you more passive revenue. So it all works out, baby. It's really, really cool. I'm excited about it. go ahead and get started today. Click below. Of course, in the very near future, we're going to be raising the price to unlock this. So go ahead and lock in your white labeled user pricing today so you can go ahead and get an account. All right, I'll see you below. I'm excited for you. If you have questions, let me know. We're here to serve you, help you. Let's go win together. All right, talk soon.